In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix and solve the Google Drive unable to access document issue. Whether you're working on an important project or trying to access personal files, not being able to open your documents can be frustrating. But fear not, because today we're walking through some effective solutions to help you get back on track. First and foremost, you'll want to check your internet connection. This might seem obvious, but a stable connection is essential for accessing documents on Google Drive. If your connection is weak or unstable, try restarting your router or switching networks to see if that resolves the issue. Next, try refreshing your browser. Sometimes all that's needed is a simple refresh. Click the refresh button or press F5 on your keyboard. If that doesn't work, consider restarting your browser entirely. You can also try accessing Google Drive through incognito mode, which disables extensions that may interfere with loading the page. Speaking of extensions, consider disabling any that might be causing the conflict. Extensions related to ad blocking or privacy can sometimes interfere with loading documents on Google Drive. Go to your browser's settings, locate the extensions section, and disable or remove them one by one to see if that fixes the issue. Clearing your browser cache and cookies is another step that can help. Over time, cached data and cookies may cause unforeseen issues with loading web pages. Navigate to your browser settings, find the option to clear browsing data, and ensure that both cache and cookies are selected before proceeding. After you've cleared them, restart your browser and try accessing your document again. If the problem persists, try using a different browser or device. This test can help determine whether the problem is with your current setup or with Google Drive itself. Use browsers like Firefox or Edge if you're currently using Chrome, or switch to a different computer or mobile device if possible. Should the issue still remain unresolved, check if there is an issue with the file permissions. Ensure you have the correct access rights to the document. If you're not the owner, ensure that you've been granted the necessary permissions to view or edit the file. Contact the document owner if needed to verify your access level. Lastly, if none of these solutions work, review Google's support page for any reported outages or ongoing issues with Google Drive. Google's status dashboard provides real-time information about any service disruptions. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to troubleshooting and resolving the unable to access document issue on Google Drive. Following these steps should help you navigate the problem effectively and get your document access back up and running. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more useful guides and solutions.